guys, so what's up? It's me now, and today we're gonna be making the TikTok cloud bread, as you can tell from our shirt, and of course we're gonna use blue coloring. So let's go. Alright guys, so to make this recipe, all you need is 3 ingredients, or actually maybe 4, but the 4th one is optional. So you just need 3 eggs, sugar, and you just need 30 grams, but in tablespoons it's gonna be 2.5. For the cornstarch it's gonna be 10 grams, but you just need 1 tablespoon, and then of course food coloring of your choice. So let's go try it out. Alright guys, so let's get cracking to my egg whites over here. And then what I usually do, I use the shell. That would be easier to go all together. I look kind of scared, but I am, because usually when I'm cracking these yolks, little bit of yolk goes inside. So when you're making this, you want to make sure that the yolks don't go inside the egg whites, because the ingredient batter is going to be really messed up. Keeping that shell intact, that way when you're doing the egg yolks and the egg whites, it doesn't break too. And last but not least is our recipe. Of course you can use more eggs if you want, but I just want to use a little bit because I'm gonna try this recipe out first. Make sure it actually works. So yeah. Alright, that's our last one. Then make sure you save these yolks, because you can use it for cookies or you can use it for just eggs. That's what I usually do, because it's simple, easy, and then you get it out of the way right away. So to whip it, we're not gonna use our electric mixer. We're gonna use our whisk over here, because I'm a risk taker, aren't you? And the first step to making the egg bread is to make sure that the eggs are foamy first, because that's the first step. It's the easiest part of the step so far, because it's just foaming up the eggs. Alright, I think that's foamed enough, so we're going to add our sugar in. Alright, so let's start whisking. And then this is the part where it gets a little tough, because you have to be whisking away for quite a long time. Whew, it's a workout. And when you're doing this, I told myself that I wouldn't do this again after Dalgona, but I saw this recipe and I had to try it. So as you can see, a little bit it's getting to a soft peak, but that's not what we want it. We want to get it to a stiff peak. That way it can get really. So that way when you put the cake together, the bread together, it doesn't fall right when you're cooking the oven. So here we go. And then right about here, the soft peaks I think this is a good time to put our cornstarch in, so let's go. See, it's getting kind of soft. Not quite there. And then as you can see, it's getting a little bit more thicker. So this would be a good idea to put the food coloring in. That way when you're putting it on the foil, it doesn't deflate. So here we go. I'm gonna put about 5 drops because I want to get that vibrant color. Kind of make sure that kind of matches my shirt here. Look at that! It's kind of blue. This is so cool. Can't wait to see if it's gonna bake. I think we're almost there. We're getting there. Stay with me, guys. Alright guys, I think that's a stiff peak because it's pretty stiff already. So let's go try and bake it up. But to make sure it actually is stiff, I'm going to put it on the foil first to make sure that it actually sticks. And then when I'm putting it all together, it actually will work. I'm alive again! Woo! So I actually didn't have anything to grease my pan with, so I just put olive oil on it, or vegetable oil. This is probably not recommended, but this is the best solution for it. So when you're making this, you want to make sure that you move quick because you want to make sure that your egg whites don't deflate because they deflate after quite a while. Oh yeah, look at that. I think it works. Right? Oh. And then when you're making this, you want to try form it into a ball. That way when it bakes, it makes into a little bread cake. But yeah. Look at that. And this is all hand whipped, guys. I guess my arm got training here. Then I'm gonna try form this into a nice little ball, bread ball, cause it's gonna look really nice. Hopefully when it bakes. Alright, I think that is good. Does that look good, Special Helper? Alright, so you want to make sure that you bake this at 300 degrees and it's going to cook for about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so let's go bring it to the oven over here. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys up in a little bit because I'm going to wait for that to cook. So let's go. Yeah. Bread is actually done, or it's done cooking. I'm not sure if it's actually cooked, so here it is. It's over here. I'm gonna go pull it out over here, so let's go check it out. Look at that! It's actually cooked. Look at that. Can't wait to try it, see what it tastes like, so yeah. Guys, don't use oil when you're cooking, when you're baking. It's still... Wow, look at that! Look at that! Wow! It smells really eggy, but let's give it a try. It's so fluffy, man. Okay, so that part isn't cooked. I'm gonna try the cooked part here. So amazing to see, man. Okay, here we go. So this, it basically just tastes like a souffle. So if you want to elevate a little bit, you can also put a little bit of vanilla in it. So that's the end of my video. So be sure to hit that like button and be sure to hit that subscribe button as well. So until the next eating, next video, next cooking. So let's go. On workout. Maybe after this, I'm gonna get buff muscles, guys.